Hello guys. Hello भाई. हेलो गाइस. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल भाई मैं आपको सॉरी कहना चाहूँगा. मैं सैटरडे संडे लाइव नहीं आने वाला था पहले भी, पर मैंने आपको इन्फॉर्म नहीं किया. देखो एक्चुअली में क्या है ना, मैं सैटरडे संडे लाइव नहीं किया करूँगा क्योंकि वीकेंड्स होते हैं वो. एंड आई डोंट थिंक सो आप चाहोगे कि आपका वीकेंड भी मेरी लाइव की वजह से कुछ भी अगर थोड़ा बहुत भी ख़राब हो. एंड मैं भी नहीं चाहूँगा कि मैं वीकेंड्स के दिन भी लाइव करूँ एंड बैठ के कोडिंग करूँ, अपना दिमाग खपाऊँ. सो दैट्स वाई मैंने मंडे मंडे बोल रहा हूँ, मैंने संडे और सैटरडे को लाइव नहीं की. एंड अब मतलब कभी भी संडे एंड सैटरडे को लाइव नहीं होगी. सिर्फ मंडे मंडे टू फ्राइडे लाइव करूँगा. कभी कभी हो सकता है कि मैं मंडे को भी लाइव करूँ. ओके. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 1 मिनट रुकना. ओके गाइस, तो आप लोग देख सकते हो मैं जैसे इस सीन पे शिफ्ट कर रहा हूँ इंट्रो नाम से, तो मेरे ये बहुत अच्छे आ रहे हैं बिटरेट. पर मैं जैसे डिस्प्ले कैप्चर पे आ रहा हूँ तो ये बिटरेट ख़राब क्यों हो जा रहा है? क्या आपको मतलब किसी को कोई आइडिया है क्या? मैं नया बना लूँ क्या? लेट्स क्रिएट अ न्यू सीन. Display capture. Wait for a while, just a minute. Okay, so now I think so. No, bro. Why is this happening? I'm not able to understand. Let's put it on above normal. Let's see what happened. Let's do one more thing. Preset is high quality. It's CBR constant bitrate. I think so. Everything is fine. Just a minute. गाइस किसी को पता है क्या ये क्यों हो रहा है? Is it because of this AV1 codec or something else? Let's do this. Um, no changes in bitrate. No changes. Let's do VBR. Ah, VBR is hell, bhai. Yup, VBR is hell. Let's make it 10K bitrate. Bro, what's happening to my bitrate? I'm not able to understand. Let's do one more thing. Let's close this too. And then I will put a display capture here. Now let's see what happens. Same problem, no new solution. Let's see what's happening here. So let's do one thing. Let's ignore this problem. And let's move on to our major problem. By the way, how's my wallpaper looking? Isn't it classy or like sporty? I think so. It's sporty. So हमारा लास्ट प्रोजेक्ट था टिक टैक टो. एंड टू डू लिस्ट हमारी होल्ड पे है क्योंकि मैंने रिवीजन नहीं किया अच्छे से. सो आई हैव टू रिवाइव फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. बट इट्स ओके. इट्स ओके, आई थिंक सो. So now what we will do is, so we will take the concept from our chat GPT. Let's make tic-tac-toe and let's move on into it. Let's smash it, okay? So first of all, what we have to do is, we have to print a 2D list, okay? Nested loops. What is nested loops? I don't know. Functions, game state, input validation, win checking algorithms, clean code organization. Okay, so first of all, we have to understand the board. What is a 2D list board? So, okay, it's a 3x3 matrix, nothing else. It's a 3x3 matrix. In that, there is no integer. In 3x3 matrix, they all are strings, in form of strings, not integers. So think of it like this. Column 1, okay. So if the player chooses row 1 and column 2, okay, so if a player chooses this row and this column, so the board gives the boards append the 1 and 2 in the list, okay, which is this comma this and cross. Then we have to display the board again. We have to make a print function for it, okay, to print the board again and again after the completion of input. Output will be like that, okay. Player input will be enter row 0 to 2, then enter column 0 to 2, store them, okay. Place X or O, okay. If it's player 1, then board row column X, and if it's player 2, then board row and column position, and it's O. Phase 5 will be checking winner. We need to check. Okay, so this is the hardest part, I think so. Rows, columns, okay. So checking diagonals are really hard, like really hard. Checking diagonals. Face draw if every cell is filled with nobody's wins. Okay, it's a draw. Okay, alternate player X. Then the okay. So we will do a alternate turns function. So the board never draws. Okay. Project 4 will be start, create empty board, print board, player enters row and column, it's move valid, no, ask again, yes, place XO, print board again, winner, yes and no, board full, yes, draw. Oh bro, it's complicated, it's hell complicated. So how we'll build it? We won't write this line codes, okay. Milestone 1, create the okay. Check for a winner, detect a drop, polish the game. Okay, today's task, milestone, write a program that creates this board. Okay, so it's pretty simple. Like creating a board. So what we can name it? Let's name it as a game.py. I think so. It will be okay. Let me zoom in out. By the way, judge my Discord. How is it looking? Isn't it great? I think so. It's great. Okay, so everything is fine. I think so. Hello, not Arv gamers. भाई ये देखो ये भाई ये बोबा आ गया भाई, the Hijdu boy. So Arv gamers, welcome to the stream, bhai. So first of all, let's do one thing. Let's import the random module, because we don't know what we will need in it. I don't think so. We need a random module, because both sides will choose their options by their own. So let's build a function naming as print board, and okay. So now in this, what we will do, first of all, we will print a new line. Let's print a new line. Okay. Now, first of all, let me do one thing. Let me take a parameter of a thing named called as board. Now we have to create a while loop or a for. I think so. For loop will be a great choice. So let's create a for loop. what range we can take. Okay, so first of all, we have to understand the board. Where is my whiteboard? Your Discord like code. Fuck you, bhai. So first of all, what we will do is, this is a tic tac board. Okay, this is a tic tac board. Bro, wait. Let me create it very gently and nicely, so I can work on that. Okay, so now what we will do is, so we get in total of 9 columns. Okay, this is the rows R2, R1, R3, and these are the columns. Okay, so now in each row there are three there are 3 blocks. Okay, in each row there are 3 blocks, and in each column there are 3 columns. Okay, 3 blocks. Okay, so we get 3 rows and 3 columns. So I think so our for loop will be from 1 to 3. So we will take the range of 3. Okay, so we will take the range of 3. After that, what we will print is, how can we make a board, bro? How can we make a board? Or do we have a, like, this will work? I think so. This will work. This icon, this symbol, whatever we say it. Okay, so I think so it will work as far as we do it right. Okay, so now let's print this thing. Oh, no, not this, bro. I think so this will be okay for us to make the board. And after that, what we can do to join it is, we can multiply 9 with it, and then, because there are 9 columns, and then we will add a if statement. If I is smaller than 2, then we will print like this thing. Where is my chat GPT? This type of thing. So how can we print it is, we can place dots and slashes, and we can do add plus icon also. So I think so this will work for now. And let's print the function. Okay, so I think so it's pretty good, not so bad, not so good. Let's recheck everything and let's run it. Okay, what's it? Bro, I want my VS Code, bro. Exited code 000. Bro, what's happening? I'm not able to understand what's happening right now. Huh? What the heck is happening, bhai? Run code. Bro, let me first of all delete some extensions. How to delete? Let's uninstall this. Let's uninstall this. And let's uninstall this. And let's uninstall this. Uninstall this also. This one also. Okay, now everything is fine, I think so. Let's restart our VS Code one time. Okay, so for now everything is good. Bro, what's this? I don't want this. Why? I want Python. Okay, so now let's print our Python file. Oh, my bad, guys, my bad. But let's call the function first. Okay, so it says, oh bro, what am I doing? Let's do not set the board value for now. Okay, so it says the error, this cannot be multiplied by 9. So what we can do here is we can use the join command. Okay. And now we have to build a function named as board, and we will join board in it. Okay. It's easy, I think so. And we will put I in it. Is it right or not? I think so, it's right. Bro, why it's not taking it? Oh, my bad, my bad, my bad. Okay. Now it's completely fine. And let's do this. Bro, it's not printing. Missing one. Okay. Let's put it let's put it one. End objects is not subscribable. Let's do one thing. Let's remove it. And let's do one thing. What we can do here is so it's so complicating, like it's hard, but I can do it. Write a program that's create this board. I think so. It should work, yeah. It should work. I think so. This should work. What's wrong in it? Let's debug the code. You are very close. The problem is this okay. How okay. Code should look like this. Okay, let's copy this. Okay. Okay, so first of all, I have to give a 3x3 matrix to it. Okay. It's for it was not defining the matrix. Let's print. Okay, finally it's working now. It's completely working. So it's pretty awesome, like it's pretty good. Empty board, change the value of it, then call print board. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so how can we do it here? We will appear in the center of the board. Try it before asking me. Bro, what can appear in the center of the board? How can we appear that in the center of the board? So we can do one thing. We can return all the cells of the board, but first of all we have to make the columns and diagonals of the board. Okay, so there are 3 columns and there are 3 diagonals also. So what we can do here is, yeah bro, it's like so complicated. I'm not able to do it, but I will do it. It's my promise. So what we can do here is, bro, I'm what we can do here, can you give me a hint? Let's my bad, I typed hint and currently I am blank. How we can place a letter X inside the board? Let's get the hint. Ask for the rows, enter row. Okay, store it in a variable. Ask for the column. Okay, store it in a variable. Think about the board. Your board look like this. If the user enter row 1 column 2, how would you access that position? Okay, so now I think so I can make it, but let's do it. Let's do it. What we can do is we can create a function tic tac toe. we can create a function in that. What we will do is, what we can do here, bro. First of all, let's take a board in that. I think so. We should make an empty string to give the user input, and then for dash in the range, because we are using the dash as empty string for now, and then after that what we can do is same for the column for dash in range and 3. So okay, so first one is for rows and second one is for columns. Okay, and current player will be, the first player will be the X or O. Let's put it X. Okay, let's put it as X. Okay, wait for a while. Okay, now it's weather. Now what we can do is, let's build a while true function. So when the game ends, then the board disappears. Okay, before that the board continues printing. So what we will do is, we will do print board and we will call the board, because our board is this. Okay, this is our board. That should this should be printed again and again and again. Okay, then we will do a try command. That will be row, and now we will take the input from our what we say, our consumer or player, whatever it is. Okay, so what we will do is, we will write a player, and we will do current player, and we will do enter row from 0 to 2. Okay, I think so it's fine from 0 to 2, and then it will enter the whatever he wants, and then we will build a column. Okay, we will do it for same. Okay, we will do play here, and then current player, and then enter column from 0 to 2. So 0 to 2 is like 0 or 1 or 2, because Python accepts 0 1 2, 0 to 2, like. Okay, no, like Python let me explain you. Python doesn't count this as 1, this as 2, this as 3. Python counts it as 0 1 2. Okay, Python always starts counting from 0. That's known as slicing and indexing. So you can learn it from my playlist. Like I've given it on my Instagram. So if you want, you can do it from there. But no worries. So what you will do, if row it not in range of 3, okay, or column is column not in range of 3, then it will print invalid position and try again. Because if the row if the users input the wrong number, then the what we said, then the program shows the user that you have put an invalid position. So please give an input of a valid position. If board row and column equals to current player, but I think so it should not work like this. It's not equals to this empty string. Okay, if it's not equal to empty string, then what we will do is, we will print cell already occupied. So the user will be not able to give a same number again and again. It will throw a error called as cell already occupied. Like if the cell is not an empty string, then obviously it's occupied. Okay, it's not like empty, because it's not an empty string. So it gives a error called as cell already occupied, try again or try a different number. Okay, so what we will do here is we will do board row and we will do column and we will equal to that current player. Okay, now we will check the winner. If check winner, okay, no, first of all we have to make the winner checking thing. After that we can do it. So let's build a winner checking thing. So we will build above this def check winner and we will let the board and we will take player, and then after that we are taking board because we need the board, and we are taking a new parameter called as player. So now we will check the rows. So for row in board we will check all the rows in the board. There are totally of 3 board. So what we will do is if all cell equals to player for cell in the row, okay, then return the value true. Okay, so whenever cell is matching to player for cell in a row, the Python will return us as the value true. Okay, the boolean true you can say. And after that we are going to check the columns. So we will do exactly the same. Let me do one thing for column in range 3. Okay, so we are giving a column a range so that the column did not mismatch in, like what we said, the occupation numbers, or what numbers are that, like the columns don't mismatch in this type of numbers, like in this row. Okay, this row, because if column mismatches it will count only this and this, not this one. Okay, because this is R2. Okay, and it will happen for R1, R2, R3. So the column becomes 0. We don't want that. So we gave a range to a column that choose the 3 numbers. Okay, so it's pretty nice. आंसर थर्जा करने लगा 1 आवर, 1 घंटा हो गया, 1 घंटा हो गया भाई, 30 मिनट्स हुए हैं अभी, 1 घंटा हो गया. So if all board, okay, we will check for row and column as well. Okay, if it is equals to player for row in range 3, again we are using the range. Wait, okay, so what will happen is we will return the true value again. Okay, now we will check for the diagonals. Okay, so if all board and we will give it I, again we will get I is equals to player. Why it's not accepting the I, bro? I is not defined. Why it's not defined? It's defined, bro. I think so it's defined. Bro, what error is coming? Okay, now it's okay. Let me do one thing. Let's return the true value here again. Okay, and then after that we will do same again, and we will put I here, then we will put 2 minus I equals to player, and for I in range question mark 3, oh question mark not, then we will return the value true, and it's done. Okay, and in the last we will return a false. Okay, if anything goes wrong in this whole scenario. Okay, now we have to build one more thing, one more function. is board full? Okay, BOARD. Let's check if the board is full or not. So what we'll do for it is we will no, I think so we will direct return all the values of cell is not equal to the empty string. Okay, for row in board or cell in row. Okay, now we can check the board is full or not. Okay, now we can continue from here. So now let's check the winner. Check winner, we will call the function board, what the spelling is, and the current player, and we will print the board, and we will call that function BOARD. Okay, so now we will print a string player current wins. Okay, player current player wins. Okay, so that's our technique. Now what we can do is we can add a emoji in it. Let's add an emoji. This emoji is great. I love this emoji. Let's close our YouTube studio. I will watch it from here. Let's add this emoji. So what happens? It checks the winner and board the current player. Okay, now we will do same for if board is full. Is board full? Okay, now what we will call here is the board, and then after that we will print underscore board. Oh no. Okay, so we will print etc, and the loop will break here. Okay, so this is no, so loop will break here also. Okay, at these two places the loop will break, and then we will do current player equals to O. Okay, so it's X or O if current player equals to X, else X. Oh wait, else it's X. Wait, let me do one thing. Let me make it properly so you guys also understand what am I writing. If current players equals to X, else no bro, why it's giving an error? I'm not able to understand that. Let's leave it to the chat GPT. Let me do one thing. If current player equals to X, else X. Okay, now it's fine. Now it's fine. Now it's here. Okay. So now what we will do is we will accept value error. Let me do one thing. Accept value error. Print. Please enter a valid number. Oh no. And then in the end, we will call of if underscore name equals to main. Tic-tac-toe. Okay, so our tic-tac-toe is ready. I think so. It's ready. Where the error is coming? Where is the error? Where is the error? Okay, so here is the error. What kind of error is this? Now it's fine. Okay, it's printing like 2 times. I don't want it 2 times. Okay, why it's printing? Player X, enter row. So I am the player X. I will choose this is the second row. I will choose the third row and second column. Please enter valid number. Okay. What is happening, bro? I'm not able to understand. Okay. Player X, enter a column. Achha, okay. Wait. Invalid. Let me put this. Why it's not happening? Oh, my bad, guys. My bad. मैंने खुद ही 0 to 2 किया. मैंने 3 डाल रहा हूँ. कोई बात नहीं. Now it's chance of player O. Let's put it on O and 1. Okay. And now it's my time. I will choose row 0, column also 0. Now it's time for O. So we will choose the row 1 and column 1. Oh, now it's time for X. So we will choose what we can choose here. I think so. Second row and first column will be good enough. Yep, it's good. It's good. Now O can only build up on let's draw this game. Okay, let's play fair. Second and second. No, second and 0. Okay, so now what we will choose here is okay, so O can make theirs here. What row? Let's build here. So it's a 0th row and second column. Okay, now we are in the lead. O can make on first row and second column. Okay, now there is only one bracket of first row and first column. Oh, what happened? Oh, sorry, it's first row and 0th column. Okay, so it's a draw. And let's do a win-win. Why it's printing 2 times? I'm not able to understand it. I have to print it only 1 time, bro. I don't want it 2 times. Okay, so let's win it 1 and 1. Then after that, second and second. Then after that, I will do on first and 0th. And then let's do on second and first. And let's do on the first and the second. So player X wins. And now let's test for the player O. Bro, I'm not able to understand why it's printing 2 times. I never call it 2 times. Okay. I'm calling it 2 times. Actually, I am calling it 2 times. Let me do one thing. Now it's completely fine. See, now it's printing only 1 time. That was a human error, not a Python machine error. Okay, so now let's do one thing. Let's make O win 0 and 0. After that, X will play on first and first and second. After that, O 0 and 2. After that, this will play on second and second, and O will play on 0th and first. So player O wins. It's pretty decent game. You can enjoy it by your friends and family. And let's give this code to our chat GPT and please give a genuine review of this code and tell me what can I do better in it, and what mistakes I created in it, and what should I be aware of next time. Okay, this is the King Code review you got from a senior developer. I'm going to be honest with the by he's not honest. I think so. He's not honest. You didn't write 100 lines inside one loop, and inside while loop. Sorry. So first of all, let's read some chat. Okay, there are 0 viewers. It's okay. So winner checking, instead of writing this, it it might be different. 8 different time. Use loop. Yep, I use loop because I don't want that it like works 8 times. Nice use of all. Thanks. Many beginners hold road. Okay, thanks. Input validation. Thanks. Checking occupied cells. Thanks. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ChatGPT. You are too good, bro. ChatGPT is greater than, better than, and mightier than Claude. Duplicate board. You have this, then later this inside. Okay. Naming player. Naming is the very basic thing a developer should do. The biggest thing missing is replay after player exchange game ends. It would nice and fast. Play again. Okay. This feature is like pretty decent. Should we add it or not? Like, let's add it, I think so. Ha ha ha. Okay, so next project is on. Bro, I am not able to make to-do list. I don't want to make to-do list, bro. I don't want to make to-do list. Please. I don't want to make to-do list. Okay, let's first of all, let's push this code on our GitHub. That will be a pretty decent move for now. Let's erase this things. Okay. So let's go on to, and guys, टिक टैक तो मैंने इतना जल्दी जल्दी फटाफट इसलिए बना पाया मैं, क्योंकि मैंने टिक टैक तो बहुत बार बनाया है पहले भी, तो मुझे एक टाइप से इसका कोड ना मैं रट लिया हूँ. आई विल बी ऑनेस्ट. ओके, तो मेरे को मतलब मैं रट लिया हूँ इस कोड को. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई वाज एबल टू डू इट सो फास्ट. टिक टैक टो. So let's commit this file. Push to origin. Okay, so it's done. And now let's check our GitHub. Let's do one thing, guys. Give me a second. I want to hide information on my GitHub that I don't want to show you guys. Like, I have to delete that first of all. Okay, so I have deleted that repo. Let me verify my email one time. La 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 um Where is that hangman thing? Okay, so now everything is good. I think so. Just give me a second, guys. Just give me a second. Just give me a minute, दोस्तों, मेरे मित्रों. हम तो साथी हम हैं, ये जहां रंगीन बनाएंगे. Okay, so we are ready to make our hangman, and I've removed that thing what I wanted to remove. So you can see here in my GitHub repo. You can, it's a public repo. You can get this all projects and codes from it. So what we are doing here is we are checking our all projects. So we have built calculator, number guessing game, rock paper scissors, and tic tac toe. Let's go on tic tac toe. Let's see the code. Okay, so everything is quite organized and looking pretty good. Okay, so let's move on to our next project, which is Hangman. I've created Hangman one time, not multiple times, but I've created it one time, so I have an decent idea what is it. So first of all, what we will do is give me 100 words for Hangman, or as many as you want. Bro, I'm not doing this hard and science tech and this things. Okay, instead using a one list, you organize your word difficulty, words by difficulty. Okay, let's organize our words from the difficulty level. Okay, so let's make Hangman. Let's open with the code and let's manage it and trust. Okay, so first of all, we will make a file name as words.py, and what we'll do here, we will paste this all things, and next what we'll do here is we will create easy underscore words equals to a list, and in that list we will make this all things. Okay, so it's good, I think so. Now what we will do is we will do a medium words. Okay, medium words, what we will do here is we will copy this words and we will paste it here. Okay, and then we will do same for programming. Let's do it for programming as well. Programming words equals to empty list. Bro, don't say I'm doing a manual work because I don't know how to do it in a shortcut way. If you guys know, please tell me. It will be a joyful thing for me also. Now what we will do is we will do science underscore tech underscore words. Okay. Now what we will do is we will copy this and we will paste it here, and then we'll do this, then we will do this, then we will do this, hard underscore words equals to empty list, and then we will add this thing into it, and done. Now what we have is we have multiple things of word. and मैंने जब पहले हैंगमैन बनाया था तब मैंने सिर्फ एक कैटेगरी रखी थी वर्ड्स की, नॉट मल्टीपल कैटेगरीज लाइक दिस, जिसमें इजी भी है, मीडियम भी है, प्रोग्रामिंग भी है, साइंस एंड टेक भी है, हार्ड वर्ड्स भी है, बट मैंने सिर्फ एक ही कैटेगरी रखी थी, नथिंग एल्स. So it was pretty easy for me. So now what we will do is we will create a main.py, and first of all, what do we need like random? I think so we need random. So let's import the random module. Let's import, no, a minute, from words. Let's import the whole word. Okay, import words. Okay, let's import the whole file itself. So now what we will do is we will do words equals to random dot choice, and we will do words word equal to random dot choice words. So what happens? The thing word chooses a random word from this file. Okay, it chooses a random word from any of these categories. Okay, so it's pretty decent, I think so. But what we can do is import let me do one thing. Can we do multiple imports? Can we do multiple imports? Okay, we can. So what we will do is easy words, medium words, programming words, then after science and tech words, and then after hard words. Okay, and oh no, we will copy paste. Oh nahi bhai, we will copy paste this list here. Pretty decent. So it will be a choice from the random module, and let's remove this, let's add this. Now what we will do is guest letter, let's make an empty list. Okay, so is empty list is okay, or we should make an empty? No, I think so list is pretty good. Just give me a minute. Okay, so the list is pretty good, and we have done the upper work. Now let's give a life. Let's give a life of, I think so 8 will be enough. Okay, so now let's create a while loop when lives is greater than 0. Okay, when lives is completely over, then break this loop. Okay, so first of all, what we will do is we will take a input of guess, enter a guess a letter, I think so, guess a letter dot lower. Okay, so first of all, let's, bro, why am I using int? It's like doing nonsense. If guess equals to letter, no, sorry, if a user write quits, If a user write quit, then we will break the program. Okay, so what we'll do here, guest letter, we will put guess in it, and we will do word complete true. Okay, we will make it true. Okay, so if the letter was guessed completed, so the word complete will be true. Okay, so for letter in word, if letter any if letter in guessed letter, print letter, and then we will use this end. Okay, else print this and end it with this, and word complete will be false. Now the value will be updated to false, and then we print the for loop. Okay, so if guessed not in word, if guess is not in word, lives will be minus equals to 1. Okay, print the no, wrong guess, and then we will add an emoji. Bro, give me an emoji. From where can I take it? Give me an emoji of cross. This cross is okay, and then wrong is lives left will be lives. Okay, if word complete is equals to true, so print congratulations. Bro, wait, what am I doing? Relations, and then I want a fire emoji. You guessed the word, and then break the program after the user guesses the word, and then if lives equals to 0, print you are out of lives, and then we will print a heart break. I want a breaked heart. This is a break heart. Bro, what is happening? Oh, I don't want this. I want this. The word was what? Okay, so I think so. It's pretty decent. A small, cool looking program. Let's run it. Okay, random dot choice. Okay, so I was looking for it, and thing happened, but no worries. We have words. Okay. So first of all, we will guess a letter. So let's guess A. Okay. Type error, list object is not callable. Why it's not callable? Um. Oh, no. I didn't append it. Okay, now it's fine. Okay. Okay, A is there. Okay. Now what we can do is, what can be the letter, bro? Is T is there? Okay, T is there. And what else is there? Is O is there? No. Is C is there? O is W is there? Is H is there? J K F? Bro, it was gravity. No way. You are out of, bro. This is wrong, bro. I don't want it. So, my bad. Let me restart it. A is there. Y no. O no. E no. I no. F J B N M. Bro, garden. Bro, I'm not able to fix that thing. I can't fix my mind. So our hangman is ready. It's pretty like easy. Okay, so let's delete this spy cache. We don't want it. We don't want the cache memory. And let's also erase this thing. Okay, so our hangman is ready. So let's put it in the Python projects and let's push it. Hangman. Guys, नई लैंग्वेज सीखी जाए क्या? Let's learn a new language. What do you guys say? Okay, so no one is watching, so no one will say nothing. Anything. Oh, desktop audio is muted, so my bad. So, should we do, or should we start doing like backend projects, something like that? Should we do? Oh, what is this? Brave Search API powered your agents and the world largest independent index of the web. $5 per million, bro. It's pretty expensive. $5 per million is like a good level of amount. If you don't know, guys, bro, why am I able to click on this article, but not on others? This is literally unfair. This is unfair, bro. Um, let's check out his developer docs and API features. So what we want is the answers, web grounded, rich response data. Okay, pretty awesome. This is a Python, Java, Go, and CURL. Okay, so we have created two projects today. Um, so I have created this also. Should we start learning backend? Let's start learning backend, guys. Okay. But with one small stop first, I wouldn't jump straight into fast API tomorrow. There are few Python also that will make backend. Okay. Learn this concept with small example instead of break. Bro, I know module packages, environment, ops, and exceptions, functions. What am I doing from like 3-4 days. What am I doing? Here's the roadmap. Python is done. Projects is done. Now it's time for object-oriented programming, then HTTP and REST, and then a SQL, then PostgreSQL, then authentication, Docker, development, deployment, and everything. Okay. Okay, so let's start with ops. Let's start with ops. Let's do object oriented programming, and let's date our title also. La la la. Oh, no, 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 no. It's a bad thing. Okay. Object oriented program. I don't know. Let's solve projects. Completing. Bro, what is the spelling of completing? I don't even know. Yeah. Bro, what? Bro, what was the spelling of completing the work? Bro, what happened to me? Completing the work. Okay, okay. Okay, the spelling is right. The spelling is right. Bro, I'm like horrible in spellings. Two projects and starting ops. Let's do op only. Okay. So I think so everything is fine for now. AI use yet. I want AI use. Noob. Fuck you भाई. आप भाई बोलते हैं ना दूसरे कहाँ गद्दार होते हैं, गद्दार तो अपने होते हैं खुद के. अच्छा सिला दिया तूने मेरे प्यार का, यार ने ही लूट लिया घर यार का. Okay, so your first op program. Bro, इतना बेसिक ऑप तो आता है भाई मुझे. क्लास बनाने तो आती है भाई. इतना बेसिक पर ठीक है चलो. Just teach you for भाई लिटरली ये जो चैट जीपीटी है ना, ये इसको पीडब्ल्यू में काम करना चाहिए. बहुत तगड़ा टीचर बनेगा. लिटरली को क्या लिख रहा है, आई वोंट जस्ट टीच यू ऑफ फॉर द सेक ऑफ इट. आफ्टर एवरी कॉन्सेप्ट आई विल शो यू वेयर यू विल यूज इट इन बैकएंड. मतलब व्हाई ब्रो? आई डोंट नीड दैट promise and all. I don't want that. Your I don't want your promise. It's like hell, bro. Okay, so let's start with ops, or we should take a break of like 20 minutes, something like that. But leave it. Let's start with ops. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's create a folder. Bro, what's happening? Uh, doing ops. No, let's name it only op. Bro, it's like so cool wallpaper, bro. I have a very decent wallpaper with hard tires on a shiny Red Bull. Let's go भाई. यार मुझे ना F1 खेलने का मन कर गया यार, बहुत ज़्यादा F1 खेलने का मन कर रहा है मेरा. हाइस्ट करेगा अभी. भाई GTA खेल लिया जाएगा यार दोस्तों 20 मिनट के लिए. Should we play GTA or not? What is Mavic playing, bro? Let's watch his stream. ओह मैविक ने फेस रिवील कर दिया।
ओके, सब लूट लिया अपन ने।
भाई देवे गाइस ये बंदा आप
भाई
नहीं जानते
म्यूजिक
हो तो
कितनी गंदी बज रही है भाई।
मेरे साथ तो वो करता था। हम दोनों ने साथ में वैलो की थोड़ी बहुत कोचिंग ली थी। ठीक है ऐसा ही।
आगे बढ़ते हुए।
ओके छोड़ो। ओपन माइंड टू F1 है। क्या कहना चाह रहे हो भाई? So let's copy this. Oh bro, what happened? Wait for a while. Let me fix it. Okay, so done. I'm done. So first of all, let's read something from it. So first of all, we have to read module 1, then module 2 in itself, attributes, then module 3 methods, intents, variables, class variables ये भी आता है। फिर ये क्या है भाई? इनकैप्सुलेशन ये नहीं पता मुझे। इनहेरिटेंस पता है। पॉलमोर्फिज्म नहीं पता। एब्स्ट्रैक्शन नहीं पता। फास्ट एपीआई तो सीखना ही है। So suppose you are making a game, there are players, each player have name, health, level, weapon. Okay, without op you would do player name equals to Alex, health equals to 100, player level is equal to 5, everything like that. Now imagine 1000 player, you will have end up with thousands of variables. Not good. Op solution, instead of creating player one by one, create a blueprint. That blueprint is called a class. Think of a cookie cutter. Okay, so the cutter is the class, each cookie is an object. A real life example, class is a car, object is BMW, Tesla, Audi, Auto. Okay. Dog, Buddy, Charlie, then class, student, Rahul, Aman, Priya. Okay, nice names. And then syntax will be like this, class student, that's it, you made a class, simply pass means, okay, पता है भाई इतना यार. Okay, creating an object, read it like English, create a student, store it inside, student 1, student 2, okay. Student 1, student 2, okay. One blueprint, many objects, okay. So let's do it. Let's make it. मेरा भी खुलवा दे F1 गेम डाउनलोड भाई। अब मैं क्रैक कैसे करवाऊँ? नहीं हो रहा वो क्रैक। अब वो तुझे देख करना पड़ेगा खुद से। या तो खरीद ले, अभी बहुत सस्ता चल रहा है F1, बहुत सस्ता, लिटरली बहुत सस्ता चल रहा है, मजाक से हट के। लेट्स ओपन आवर स्टीम। 2500 रुपए का चल रहा है अभी। या तो तू ये भी ले सकता है, 400 रुपए का पास भी ले सकता है, इससे तो बहुत सारे गेम खेल पाएगा। बट हाँ, तू 2500 रुपए का ले सकता है, जिसमें देखो F1 25 26 दोनों मिलेगा। मैंने इसको टोटल खरीदा भाई लगभग 3500 रुपए में, तो मेरे को तो महंगा पड़ा, तेरे को बहुत सस्ता पड़ रहा है अभी, तो ले ले, मैं तो यही कहूँगा। ओके सो क्लास स्टूडेंट दिस समझ गया। स्टूडेंट ऑब्जेक्ट पास हुआ है। ओके, something like don't worry about the thing you have to take homework after running it. What is class? What is an object? How many class did you create? How many objects did you create? I won't teach you this. So let's answer him because चैट जीपीटी बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाता है, एंड आज के टाइम पे सेल्फ स्टडी चैट जीपीटी के अलावा मेरे को नहीं लगता कोई करवा पाएगा। तो Q1 will be और what is a class? Class is like a big boy which handles multiple objects at a place at once. Object can differ from each other inside the class depending on their informations stored. How many classes did you create? 2. Okay, class is 1, objects are 2. It acts as a blueprint for creating them. Okay. So class acts like a blueprint to create objects. Okay. So what is an object? Object can differ from each other. Okay, score 9 out of 10. That's actually a good explanation. Thank you. For example, both are student object, but they later might have different information. Thanks. Same blueprint, different idea. Exactly right. Thank you. Thank you so much. देखो यार, ये 9 out of 10 कौन सा टीचर देगा यार? कोई नहीं देगा, सिर्फ चैट जीपीटी देगा। ठीक है, तो चैट जीपीटी से पढ़ो, बढ़िया मजा आएगा। Now, until now, you have created empty objects. They don't actually have any information, so you need to know. Okay, how do we give each object its own data? That's where the most important part method in Python ops come in it. Yep, in it. I know it. It's like very useful. And another keyword you want to see is self init दोनों आता है भाई। चलो ठीक है, कर लेते हैं रिवाइज। Let's study it. Imagine we have this class. Now we create a student. Student 1 is equal to this. What is the student's name? Nowhere. Where is the 8? Nowhere. The object is this. What it has no information. It's like creating a person with no name, age, or roll number. Okay. We need to initialize the object. That's why Python gives us a special method in it. Did it like initialize it automatically whenever you create a new object. Thank you. So example is this. Now student 1 equals this. Student created. It called any Python did it automatically. Okay. Think of it like imagine buying a new phone. Teach student to have a different name. How does he know which one we're talking about? Or student one dot name unknown. Okay, let's create it. तेरा बीजी से साउंड हैवी है? नहीं भाई, कोई साउंड नहीं आ रहा। नो साउंड इज कमिंग भाई। ओके, सो चलो खुद से लिख लेते हैं ये कोड। आफ्टर दैट क्या था? फंक्शन बनाना है इनिट Okay, so first of all, who calls in it? Python calls in it. The fan's voice has come. See your background. भाई मैं अपना बैकग्राउंड कैसे देखूं भाई? आ रहा है बहुत ज्यादा। यार नहीं यार, आना नहीं चाहिए। अब बताओ। अब तो नहीं आएगा। हाँ यार, आ तो रहा है, वेट 1 मिनट। अब बताओ। वेट 1 मिनट। अब बताओ। भाई यार बहुत कम आवाज आ रही है यार फैन की, और तुम बता रहे हो कि बहुत ज्यादा आ रही है। When you speak, when it doesn't come, है? When you become silent, when it's come। अबे हाँ बीबी। नहीं यार बहुत कम आ रही है, छोड़ उसको। इतनी कम वॉइस का मैं क्या करूँगा। आई जस्ट कम। अरे भाई रहने दे भाई। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Okay, we use it to initialize a thing. Mm-hmm. If we create both students apps, that's not useful. Real life, imagine a college student. One is like name Rahul, and this one is different. Let me do one thing. Okay. So what we have to do here is we will cell dot name equals to this, cell dot name is equal to Aman, and cell dot name equals to age this हो गया. And then create this final print should be like this. Okay, so what we will do here is we'll paste this here, self dot name, and what after that. Okay, so we got Rahul. Okay, we want Rahul name and age. Wait for a while बस एक मिनट. हाँ. Okay, so we want age of Rahul also. Okay, so Rahul 20, Aman 22. We printed it. Now, and think back to it. create a second class. Let's build it. Class will be car. We will initialize first of all. Then we will add self. Then we will add what we have to add. It should store brand, model, and year. Okay. So self, we will add brand, we will add model, and we will add year. Okay. So what we will do here is we will do self dot brand equals to brand. Okay. Self dot model equals to model, and then we will do self dot year equals to year, and after that we will do car1 equals to car, and it will be like wait, it will be like the brand of the model is Toyota Corolla 2022. Okay, so this is the brand, model, and year. So let's add it. Okay, so how we will add it is we will make it in an string format, and like this. Perfect. Now we will do same for car2 equals, sorry guys, मैंने अभी भी खाना खाया था, इस वजह से शायद थोड़ी बेकार आ गई, बट ठीक है, नेचुरल है. And this, and we will do this. Okay, so now let's test this first. Do we get, okay, no, we are not printing print car1 dot name dot year, no, dot name dot brand dot year. Okay, we can't print everything like that. Okay, so we can't do that also. Car1 dot name. Okay. Okay, it's brand, model, and year. My bad. Brand, model, and year. Okay. So I wanna test one more thing. Can we do like this? Or no? Or can we do like this? Car2 dot model. Okay, so we can do this. So we will do this self. First of all, brand, model, and then car2 dot year. Okay. So what else we can do is car2 dot year. No, we can't do this. This will be wrong, absolutely wrong. And then we will do this. It will be 1, 1, and 1. Let's, okay, so Toyota Corolla buys Tesla Model 3 2024. Absolutely right and correct. And let's give it to the chat GPT to review our project. So take it, chat GPT. Review our code. if you want to review it. Okay, bro, this is 10 out of 10. Thanks. But because it shows you understand a concept instead of copying syntax. Thank you. So constructor is like you understand that the values are coming from outside. I know it. Instance variable. What we wanted, notice the pattern. You will write this hundreds of times in backends. Okay. So self.attribute equals to parameter. Perfectly fine. And after that, object creation will be like student1 equals to student2. ठीक है. Second class, you did different same idea. That's a sign of concept is clicking. You done one tiny thing you wrote pass inside in it. Where I wrote past? Huh? Whoa. My bad. Bro, I know pass is unnecessary. I accidentally typed it. Okay, it's a professional habit. So let's maintain this habit as well. Let's maintain this habit. It's a good habit, I think so. Here's something cool. You probably think this. Oh, it's create dictionary. A dictionary. Bro, what the heck? Every object is basically its own little storage box. Okay. So visual is something like this. Yeah. Your classes only show data. Guys, एक minute रुकना. Just a minute. Let me do one thing. Let me do one thing. Okay, so where were we? Let me get back to the work. यार मैं बहुत ज़्यादा distract हो रहा हूँ, पता नहीं क्यों. So now here what we are doing is, okay, so let's read this. Right now your classes only store data. Real objects also do things. For example, a car can stop, honk, start, stop, honk. A student can study, introduce themselves, celebrate a birthday, increase their age. In ops, these functions are called methods. Okay. So your next practical challenge is, without looking anything up, modify a student class, add a method, ref introduction self. When you call introduce, it should print, hi, my name is Rahul and I am 20 years old. Then add another method, birthday. It should increase the student's age by 1. Okay. Let's create it. It's, I think so, pretty simple thing for not me. I'm not that good in this. So what we'll do here, first of all, let's differentiate this and this. Okay. Car.py. Bro, what am I making? Oh no, let's do it methods.py. Methods.py, and let's add student in here. Okay, it's night. It's better now. Okay, so what function we have to make? Introduce function. So let's add introduce. Bro, why it's giving error? Okay, so what we have to do is, when you call student1 introduce, it should say, hi, my name is, and this is this. Okay. So self.intro equals to intro. Okay. And what we will do here is, introduce one dot introduce. When we call it, okay, so when we call this function, it should introduce the guy itself. Okay, so what we are going to do here is, what you can do here, by when you call this, it should print like this. Okay, so okay, मेरे को समझ में आ गया क्या करना है. So what we'll do here is, let's build a student one and let it be equal to student student. Can I put introduce? No, I can't. Hi, my name is Rahul and I'm 20 years old. Student one dot introduce. Oh wait. Missing requirement age. So कहाँ पर है missing requirement age? Let's remove this. Bro, I'm not able to do it. It should increase the student's age by current student one dot age. Bro, I am clearly saying like I'm not able to do it. Oh, I got it. I got it, guys. It's pretty easy. Okay, so my name is, what is my name? I don't know my name. Let me do one thing. Let me erase this. Let me erase this. Let me erase this. And let me do this one time. Okay, so my name is this, blah, blah, blah. And what we will do here is, hi, my name is, name, and I am, wait, guys. Now you will think this is giving an error, but, let me do one thing. Let me put the student name and age. Bro, by the way, I can put a, wait, and let it be like this. Perfect. Perfect. It's a perfect. Okay. Now what we will do here is we will paste an F string and we will paste this. Hi, my name is name. Aha. My name is self dot name. Okay. Bro, why it's happening? I'm not able to understand. Intro. Okay. Okay. Print, hi, my name is self dot name. I am self dot age. Now it's perfectly fine. Okay. So let's call this function. Missing requirement intro. I don't want intro. I don't want intro, bro. Hi, my name is Rahul and I'm 20 years old. Okay. Now what we'll do, we will add his birthday, def birthday, and we will do same print. What we have to do is, for birthday, what the AI wants, it should be increased by 1. Okay. So when we call his birthday, it should be increased by 1. Okay. Print student 1 dot age. So self dot age plus equals to 1. Simple. And when we call it print student 1 dot age, then this happens. Okay. The age is 21. Okay. So every time the age is 20 and it's get 21. So let's give it to the chat GPT. Boom, boom. Go chat GPT. Ah. Okay. So now what we are doing is, ChatGPT is reviewing our code. So constructor is perfect. Instance variable are perfect. Method are perfect. Not notice something. You didn't pass name or age to introduce. I know so it's on that. Yeah, bro. Now what we have to do here, like, now do this student 1 birthday. Question, what should happen? Will both ages increase or only Rahul's? The answer, okay, obviously it's obvious, bro, because we are changing the student 1 age, not like of Aman student 2. Suppose you are building Instagram. Oh ho, I'm directly building the Instagram. Let's go. So suppose you have this user one follow. Should Aman also gain a follower? No, obviously not. Of course not. Each object manages its own state. Without looking at Google, add one more method. Okay, so let's add a change name method. Okay, so a def change underscore name, self, a name. Okay, new name. Okay. So what we are going to do here is, then this code should work. Okay, so we have to run this code. And hi, my name is Rohan and I'm 21 years old. It should be doing like this. Okay. So first of all, self.name equals to new name. Okay. So now our self.name parameter is going to be new name. Or we should do like self.new name equals to new name or something like it. I don't know actually. Okay. So what should be our output? Our output should be like this. Student1 change name. So it should be like student1 change name and the name should be changed in Rohan. Okay. So let's do it. And इंट्रोड्यूस में जाके हम सेल्फ डॉट न्यू नेम कर दें अगर, so what will happen? Student object don't have attribute as a new name. Okay, that's fine, that's completely fine. So what we are going to do here is, but we have a parameter, bro. We have a parameter. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's make it name. And let's make it name. Now what happens? Hi, my name is Rahul. And then it's giving Rohan. Okay, so it's perfectly fine now. And let's give it to the chat GPT. Come on, buddy, check it. Check it and blame it. भाई ये स्क्रीनशॉट क्यों हो जाता है यार मेरे फोन में ऑटोमेटिकली हर बात पे स्क्रीनशॉट. लेट्स गो भाई, लेट्स गो. सो सीनियर डेवलपर रिव्यू. भाई ये चैट जीपीटी हर बात पे सीनियर डेवलपर क्यों बन जा रहा है? दैट्स सो नॉट राइट. Me and the devil. Okay, so there is a meme. Doctor life goals: become a doctor, marry a doctor, make their kids doctor, get them married to a doctor. And then engineer life goals are study engineering, tell your siblings and friends not to study engineering, die watching everyone choosing engineering. Of course, bye. Me watching a movie full of blood, murder, and violence, eating a snacks. They killed a doggy. That's sad. So, bro, I started doom scrolling on Insta, bro, while doing live stream. What the heck? Bro, I'm so addicted to Insta. So, Ara, I just come. Okay. भाई लिटरली 1100 का बिट रेट, 1100. भाई तुम लोगों को तो यार कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा होगा इतना ब्लर है ना. सो आरा अभी भी. ओके, सो माय नेम इज दिस. यार तुम लोगों को मुझे नहीं लग रहा कुछ दिख रहा होगा. वी विल टेक द 1100 आई थिंक सो. ओह, आर विल को भैया इज लाइव. लेट्स वॉच हिज लाइव स्ट्रीम. ओह, स्टार्टेड 10 minutes ago. Okay, he's playing like Valorant. I think so, yep. Valorant Zindabad. Okay, let's get back to our work. Okay, so methods are done. You understand? You understood? Say thanks. Bro, literally, I'm doing experiment. I'm not catching any like what we say that patterns or something like that. I'm doing anything my fingers are going on. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we will remove this. Oh no. We will remove this introduce and then we will run it. And I'm 21 years old. Let's remove this also. And I'm 20. Oh, okay, no. That's not good. That's not good. Okay, now it's pretty good. So here what's it gets excited when you build a bank. Okay, without op. So balance is 1000, deposit balance, withdraw balance. With op, account dot deposit 500, account dot withdraw 200, account dot show balance. Which one reads more naturally? Obviously with ops. Okay. The second one. That's why large software projects use ops so much. Okay, thanks. Tiny improvement will be instead of student 1.h, you can use student 1.introduce. Okay. Instead of printing this, I can do this. Okay. Thanks for clarifying. Suppose you have student 123 named as Rahul Aman Priya, age is 20, 22, and 19. How many students exist? Obviously 3. But where do we store that number? Should every student have self dot total students equals to 3? Obviously no. That will mean every object shows the same value. Yep. Imagine a school, every student has a different name, age, roll number. Those belongs to the individual student. But the school has information that's the same for everyone. School name, principal, academic year. Okay. Tomorrow's lesson. No. No tomorrow. We will do it itself. Do itself today. So let's do it. Okay, so lesson 4 is instance variable and class variables. So देखो instance variables and class variables तो मुझे पता है. देखो instance variable ये होते हैं, ये वाले variables, and class variables are this. Okay, simple. Who name their own age? Those are called instance variable because every instance object gets its own copy. Imagine a school, every student has a different information. Rahul, this is this. It's the same for everyone. Like school name is same and country is same. Should every object store school name again and again? No, obviously not. So देखो ये है अपनी class variable. It's a like it's like a global variable, but global variable अलग चीज होती है. But बोल सकते हैं एक टाइप से. Notice something, school it outside entity. Yep. That makes it a class variable. Visual. Then student 1 and student 2. Type this yourself. Bro, I'm not gonna type this, but okay. If you're saying, I would, because I'm your good student or something like that. So school equals to bro, what the fuck? ABC public school. Okay. A good school name. Then what we have to do is we have to print student 1 school and this. Student 1 and student 2 school. Okay, we don't have student 2. So let's print ABC public school. Bro, I have already done it. Question, what happens? Suppose we do this. Student dot school equals to XYZ public school. Rahul ABC, Aman ABC, Rahul XYZ, Aman XYZ. So it's obviously gets, wait, let me do it. But I school equals to it's get at y XYZ. Okay, your challenge. Write the class yourself. Requirements will be class variable, wheels for instance variable, brand model. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it, buddy. Variables dot py. Okay, so let's go on practice. Let's copy this class car and let's paste it here. Now, what he's saying is wheels will be 4. Wheels equals to 4. Okay, this is a class variable. And Tesla Model 3, Tesla Model 3, okay, done. Okay, so our class variable is wheels 4, and what we'll do here is car 1 equals to this, car 2 equals to this, and we will do car 1 dot wheels also here itself. Um, so what happens here is Toyota Corolla 4, Tesla Model 3 4. Now change car dot wheels equals to 6. Then try this car 1 dot wheels equals to 8. What we have to print? Car 1 dot wheels, car 2 dot wheels, car dot wheels. Okay. Now we are doing car dot wheels, car 1 dot wheels 8. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's remove this. So everywhere it's like 666. Okay, on car 1 or car 2 both. What if we do here? Okay, it's not possible here. And what if we add car 1 dot wheels 844. So if we do car 1 dot 866. Hmm. So it's pretty easy, not so too complicated or something like that. All three output it will be 6. Yup. In this first will be 8 and another will be 6. So this will be our last topic for today. After this, I will end this live stream because it's like already 2 hour 11 minutes live stream. So let's complete inheritance. After that, I will close it. Okay. So now what we are going to do is you start with the class dog. Then you make a dog can eat sleep. Then you make cat eat sleep. Then lion eat sleep. Should you write this every time? Def sleep, def eat again and again. No, obviously not. Now dog is an animal. Oh yeah, I can do that. Animal. Let's make it at animal. Now dog is an animal. I mean, an animal. So let's create def eat. Okay. Then we will create class dog and everything else. So first of all, let's create eat. Eating. Def sleep. Sleeping. Now. Then what we will do is we will create a class dog. And what we'll do here is okay. I got you, bro. Okay. Dog is equal to dog. Let's name it dog one. Then what we'll do here is dog dot eat dog one dot sleep. Ah, what's the issue, bro? Okay, we didn't put self in it. Okay, so now it's working. Eating and sleeping. Both dogs are sleeping and eating. It's worked. Dot because of inheritance. I will look for. Okay. Create class cat. Let me create a class cat. And let's pass animal in it. So challenge क्या है? Then cat, can you make this work? Of course I can make this work. Why not? See, it's working. It's working completely fine. If we do this even, then also it will work. See, it's working. Next challenge, slightly harder. Dogs don't just eat and sleep, they also bark. How can we add a new method that only dogs have? The target is dog that bark. Okay. Pretty easy, not so hard. And what we'll do here is we will add a def function of bark. Print barking dot 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 dot. Okay. So now it will work perfectly fine. And let's don't pass it. Barking, eating, sleeping. And let's add one more thing here. Let's add dog one here. Okay. Perfect. Eating, sleeping, barking, eating, sleeping. Perfect. Almost perfect. Bro, what's this? Where should bark go, inside animal or inside dog? Okay. What does this mean? Cat is a dog? Oh, fa. Fa, 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 fa. Fa. Oh, my bad. My bad, bro. Modify a code so that animal has eat, sleep, dog has mark, cat has meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. किसको छोड़ू किसको खाऊं? म्याऊं 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 म्याऊं। एक तरफ है रसमलाई टेनेनेनेनेओ टेनेनेओ, दूसरी तरफ है चुईया आई टेनेनेनेओ टेनेनेओ। एक तरफ है रसमलाई दूसरी तरफ है चुईया आई, किसको छोड़ू किसको खाऊं? सॉरी गाइस, आई एम रियली सॉरी। मैं कुछ भी करने लगता हूँ यार, लाइक कुछ भी। I can do anything in this world. This is completely correct. Thanks. सीनियर भाई, ये सीनियर रिव्यू क्यों देता है हर बात पे? Continue tomorrow. By the way. Oh, अरे भाई 55% ऑफ्स कंप्लीट है। मेथड ओवरराइडिंग, सुपर, इनकैप्सुलेशन। एक्चुअली पता है देखो, मुझे सुपर के अलावा ये चारों आते भी नहीं है, तो मुझे सीखने पड़ेंगे इसीलिए। ठीक है। वीएनवी से आती है, मुझे पीआईपी आता है, पैकेज आता है, जेसन नहीं आता। रिक्वायरमेंट्स आती है, बेसिक डिबगिंग आती है, प्रोजेक्ट स्ट्रक्चर नहीं आता। तो हो जाएगा मतलब, ठीक है। सो लेट्स पुश दिस कोड। नो, लाइक आज के लिए छोड़ते हैं, आज इसको पुश नहीं करते हैं, कल इसको पुश कर देंगे। ओके, आज 3 अगस्त। ओके, सो हम इसको कल पुश कर देंगे, नो वरीज। ठीक है। सो आई थिंक सो आज की स्ट्रीम के लिए इतना बहुत है. लेट्स एंड स्ट्रीम विथ a peaceful day and a next great start of a day.